Airplanes use speed to lift off the ground by generating enough lift through their wings. As the plane accelerates down the runway, air flows faster over the curved top of the wing and slower underneath. This creates a pressure difference, lower pressure above the wing and higher pressure below, which pushes the airplane upward. The faster the plane goes, the stronger this lift force becomes. Once the lift is greater than the airplane's weight, the plane rises into the air and takes off.